Perfect. Okay, so, all right. So, Sarah, what's been going on today?
Yeah, so I've been having a little bit tightness in my shoulder right here.
Right shoulder?
Yeah.
Does it stay to the right? Does it ever go to the left as well?
It usually stays to the right, like just in this area right here.
Does it stem right into this area, or does it work its way up into the neck, or does it more work its way down?
It seems like it works its way up a little bit.
Right, closer towards the neck. If you have more neck movement through the day, does that cause more pain in that area, or does that help improve it, more movement in the neck?
Probably it causes a little bit more pain, yeah.
Okay, got it. And what's the pain intensity right now? Scale of 1 to 10?
It's about a 4.
4 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other health problems going on?
Yeah, a lot of digestive issues have been going on. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. The last time we adjusted you, did that help the digestive issues at all?
Yeah, I felt like everything was just flowing a lot more better. Yeah.
Awesome. What percentage improvement overall would you say for that?
Yeah, I'd say about 50%.
50%. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Sounds like we're on the right track.
Yeah.
Let's take a look today. Okay, see how it's going? Go ahead and go face down. We're going to check your zone today, okay? Remember the test I do right here. So I'm going to push on 6 different points. Let me know which one you feel more sensitive. 1 or 2?
2.
Got it. 3 or 4?
4.
5 or 6?
5.
Okay, coming back. 2 or 4?
4.
Or 5?
4.
Okay. So, did we talk about what zone 4 is most associated with? No? I feel like in past, I've checked your file, we've been closer to zone 2. This stuff up here, a little bit higher in the shoulders. But zone 4 has a lot of overlap with digestion.
Oh,
yeah. T4, T8, these segments especially here. Working up into the neck, but a little bit lower into the neck, right there. You feel that spot? Okay, what is more tender, that guy or that guy?
The first one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right. So all that makes sense. So we're gonna clear out those 3 spots, and we're gonna retest that. Give me some feedback how it feels, okay? Relax the shoulder right there. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Good. Nice. And now I'd like you to take another deep breath and let it go. Nice. Okay. Go ahead and lie on your back. So we'll get that 4 out of 10 in your shoulder down to a 0. How's that sound?
That sounds great.
Coming this way. Okay, and let your head drop in my hands right there. Perfect. Beautiful. Oh, that is silky smooth now. Very nice. Okay, I just want to decompress that trap, help out that trigger point. That's been building up from getting that spine just twisted and contorted. That's the muscle just trying to protect the area. Mary's phone went off. I like how she tried to run away.
I know.
I don't want to interrupt this process. Okay. Was it important, Mary? Okay, one more big deep breath. So just feel that area unravel and relax. Good. Let's have a seat at the bottom there. That was a powerful neck adjustment. Might get a little lightheaded after that. Sit up nice and tall. Interlace your fingers behind your neck. I'm gonna have you stand up just for a second. And then sit down. Good. Right there. Okay, relax those shoulders and let it go. Awesome. Take a big deep breath. That's another big impulse. Just rebooting the nervous system there. Okay, pull those shoulders back, bring your chest up, push back against my hands. Good. And relax this part of your shoulder, but keep squeezing back this way and sit up a little taller. There's that digestion. Just begin to unravel and relax. Good. Now let's recheck that zone. Go ahead and go face down. That's good. Big releases. How's that one feel right there? Is that better?
Oh, much better.
So, yeah, the primary one right here. Now, that's 4. How's that feel?
No, better.
Okay, percentage improvement.
I'll say about 30%.
30%. I was going to say this feels better, but other layers started opening up that 2, and then how's that guy, the 5? Does that one feel better too?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So
Amazing.
all those trigger points around are relaxing as the spinal cord's relaxing. The only one that's that deeper one, that zone 4 is 30% better. But hey, we'll take that. We're gonna try to get it up to 50% because
Yes.
ideally. So keep that right there, and you're gonna lift your head up. There it goes, and relax and squeeze your knees together, and lift your head up one more time. And relax. And we're just stimulating these 4 different points of the spinal cord. And let's see how that. And just be honest. If we're getting there, we're getting there. If we're not, we're not. Okay, zone 4. Still 30% or better?
Better.
Okay, what percentage now?
I'd say, oh, wow, yeah. I'd say it went up to like over 60 or 70.
Right on. Okay, go ahead and stand up there. That's a win. Progress, not perfection. That was awesome. Okay, go forth and heal.
All right, thank you.
Great job.